I'm not planning to take this hat off for the rest of the video, so this is how we're gonna be looking. Hey Varhandziwa, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. I'm dressed, y'all, like I am dressed, okay? So today, guys, I wanted to share with you my skincare hack during winter, like more especially when I am on my driest. Of course, you guys, if you don't know, I suffer from acne and I have stubborn scars. Right now I have a tinted moisturizer on, so don't be fooled. So if you want to see my DIY tinted moisturizer, I'll just link it down below so that you guys can go and check. I don't know, but during winter, you guys, I get super dry. Like, it's not a healthy dry, it's that dryness. You know, when you use benzoic acid and you do not moisturize, I don't know if you call it benzoic or benzoic acid, something like that, and you just feel, it feels like irritated dryness in a way. That is what normally happens to me when it is cold and when it is windy. So I just feel like sometimes the wind just take off moisture on me and all that, and then maybe when it's cold, somehow the air is not humid enough to actually like hydrate my skin. So I have like few things that I do that keeps my skin glowing. You guys, like, even my body is glowing. Do you guys need a body like skincare video? Do you? Because my body is giving, y'all, like, okay. Anyways, that is not about it. So whenever my face feels like really uncomfortable, I make sure I do not wear makeup, I do not wear a lot of products, because this is the time where I'm trying to repair my skin barrier. Like, my moisture barrier needs to be fixed, so I make sure I do not touch my face that much. So let's start with the night skincare routine, and I always make sure I keep it simple. So lately I've been grabbing this Dove soap a lot, which is the Sensitive Beauty Bar, and I love this because it's fragrance free. I always want to try to make sure that I avoid anything that could irritate my face, which could be fragrance and all the stuff. So this Dove soap, you guys, more especially this sensitive one, has been super gentle on my face. I do, however, have like soaps, my top 5 soaps that I have on my channel. If you want to check them out, I'll just link the video down below. Those are still my favorite as well, but during this winter, this is all I've been using. Remember, this is the time where I do not have any tinted moisturizer, I don't have makeup on, so my washing is pretty much simple because I know I'll be removing my sunscreen. So I do stick to that 1-minute wash, and I do not really double cleanse because I do not like have like a lot of things, and I make sure within that 1 minute I wash thoroughly. And then when I'm done, I just like to pat my face. I don't like to keep it super dry. So what I like to do next is to go in with this E45 cream. So this is the cream that I use. I just apply it on my face. This has been feeling super great, you guys. So when my moisture barrier is okay, I do actually go in with this E45, and you know, my skin just feels super hydrated and moisturized in the morning. So I really like that. And on top, I go in with Vaseline, and this is the interesting part that you guys want. Like, you guys, you really need this. So this is the time where we go back to the roots, you know, when we were born. You know, I don't know, my mother, I don't know about your parents, but my mom, y'all, used to apply a lot of Vaseline on our skin. Like, she used to apply a lot of Vaseline on our skin, and we would shine, like, whether it is in the morning, whether it's in the night, during the night, evening, whatever time, you guys, we would be really shining. And my skin was really doing great then, and I really didn't understand like why. Like, I know, you know, growing up is a trap, and you know, we tend to not use the stuff that we used to use when we were like younger. Some people call it gobo in Chitonga, so let's call it gobo. So what happens is I just pick up a lot of this baby and apply it on my face. Like, some people call it slugging. I didn't know it's called slugging until I actually saw it on someone's video. I'm like, oh my god, I've been doing that for some time. Like, I've been doing it for a long time. I know we use it on our body, we use it on our heels, we use it on our lips. Like, we just use it everywhere where we have got cracks. and I was like, oh my god. So people just discovered this and we've been in it for years. So this is what I use. I just apply a lot of it on my skin, guys. I apply as if there's no tomorrow because I am trying to lock any moisture and also just to repair my skin barrier. So I do this for as long as I still feel dry. So I like to use this during the night because I cannot be looking like iguinya during the day. So this is what I know I'll do during the night, and make sure that I go to bed an hour later. So if you go to bed immediately, guys, your pillowcase is not gonna look good at all. So in the morning, you guys, it's pretty much simple. I just do the same procedure. Now the difference is I do not apply a lot of Vaseline at all. So what happens is I just wash my face with the Dove soap and then go straight in with the E45, apply my sunscreen, and I call it a day. And then I do the same steps until I feel like my face has repaired itself. This is another trick that you can do when you're using benzoic AC. The time I was using benzoic AC or benzac AC, I would feel really dry, so I would actually just do a lot of slugging. So when all the dryness is gone and my face is feeling very much great, I go back to my normal skincare routine. For those who are asking if I actually still do use the skin functional products, actually, you guys, when I say my skincare routine, my constant skincare routine is actually the skin functional products. I only stop using skin functional products only when I'm reviewing products, because I don't want to, like, I know the skin functional products do work on me, but I don't want the product to interfere with the products, and then the next thing I think the product is working on me, whereas it's actually this babies right here. So that is it from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also share this video, guys. Please, guys, help me get to 10,000 subscribers, and we are right there, you guys. We're just there. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.